Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see how to crochet cute 5-petal flower with 3D center. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of cotton yarn. You can choose 2, 3 or 4 colors. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin the flower from the base. For this, make a chain, then chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the chains to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. And make treble crochet, not finish. Then make double crochet, not finish into the same chain stitch. Then treble crochet, not finish into the same chain stitch. Then yarn over the hook 3 times and make double treble crochet stitch, not finish into the same chain stitch. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. My base for the flower is ready. It is going to be the center of the flower. Let's crochet the trim. For this, make a chain. I'm working on the trim. Then chain more. I will use it later. Let's stop and look what I have done. I will start from this side. Continue with the opposite side. Work with treble crochet. Then work with the opposite stitch. And to finish my trim with working with double crochet. Then I am making my stitches in backwards direction. Then I turn the work, make single crochet, make 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Work with the 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Continue working with next stitch. I turn the work. I will work with treble crochet. Make 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Work with the opposite side. Make 7 single crochet around the treble crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Work with double crochet. This is the middle stitch. Insert the hook around this stitch. Work with 7 single crochet. I am making 7 single crochet because I would like to get my center in spiral shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. And let's stop and look what I have done. Here what I have at this point. I remind you, this is the center part of the flower. Then I'm going to work in reverse direction. So I will start from the middle stitch. I continue working on the central part of the flower. It is going to be a row of single crochet with picots. I am working in spiral direction. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet, chain of 3 for the picot, insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. I will start and you should continue working with your own. By the end you will get 21 single crochet with picot. Chain of 3, 4, continue, make slip stitch, keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to work with petals. In total it should be 21 single crochet with picot. Once I have done 21 single crochet with picot, here what I have, I fold my middle part of the flower, and at this point I will show you how to join new color of yarn. You can stop at this stage and you will get amazing brooch or earring or another accessories for yourself. I already cut off my blue color of yarn. I take yellow color of yarn and now I show you how to crochet the petal. Insert the hook into the working loop, insert the hook into the next stitch, take the yellow color of yarn, make single crochet. I pull it. After the finishing, you should remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Then chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch. My picot is ready. I turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop and make the third one into the next chain stitch. Well done. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before, pull up a loop. I hold all loops with my finger, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Pull through 3 loops, 2, pull through 3 loops the third time, and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Then chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. My picot is ready. Continue working. yarn over the hook. I skip this stitch, insert the hook into the next one, insert the hook between threads, pull up a loop, two, insert the hook around the single crochet and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, pull through 3 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3 and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops. Well done. Continue working on my petal. Yarn over the hook. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the space, pull up a loop. 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3 for the picot. 1, 2, 3, and make slip stitch. Let's crochet next row. Yarn over the hook, pull up a loop. 1, 2, and 3 around the stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch. In total I will get 5 petals in my flower, so my petal based on 3 stitches. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops, make slip stitch, and let's make one more row. 1, let's repeat. 1, 2, and 3 around the stitch. I remind you, total it should be 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before, then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3, and pull through 2 loops. Chain of 3 for the picot, and make slip stitch. In total it should be 6 picots into the each petal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check. My first petal is ready. I just need to do my slip stitches. Work with 3 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3. Once I have done 3 slip stitches, I insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. My petal is ready. Let's crochet the next one. So I started the new petal because this single crochet as this one at the beginning of the previous petal. I remove my middle part. I remind you, my petal based on 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain of 3 for the picot and make slip stitch into the 4th chain stitch. And you should continue working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. You can use different colors to create your petals, or you can make flower of one color. In this case, I use different colors of yarn. I took leftovers. It depends on your project. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use different colors. In total it should be 5 petals. The last stitch will be made into the chain stitch. So I will crochet last stitch into this stitch or this chain stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done all my petals, let's complete this flower. I remove my middle part. Let's make the last stitch with me. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make single crochet. Pull it. And to secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. My 5 petal flower is ready. You should remove the yarn along the stitches using the crochet hook or sewing needle on the back side of the flower. It is very simple and unusual at the same time. And please use different colors of yarn to create your personal colorful project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. This is the back side of the flower. All additional information about the kind of tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For the petals I am using Tunisian crochet method. Let's look at cute simple flower. For this one I used one color. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't miss my new video tutorials. Bye!